Good morning and welcome in to the new members and to the old members that have found their way back to the community. I need you just as much as you need me. In this morning's update to start the week, as we can see, crypto is getting obliterated to start this Monday morning. However, there is one bright spot, as we've been talking about the XRP Bitcoin pairing with XRP. We talked about how it was undervalued. And right now, XRP and the rest of the market is getting hammered. You've got anything down up to 13%, a lot of stuff between 5 and 8%. We've got Gala down 8%. We've got Doge down just about 1%. Ethereum closing in on 3%. Algo's down 4.6%. IOTA's down 6.7%. Shiba's down 5%. We've got Bitcoin down 1.6%. XLM down 1.9%. DGB down 6.7%. ZIL down 6.1%. VChain down 6.3%. XDC is only down about 0.5%. We've got Casper down 4.9%. We've got HBAR down 5%. Ironically, with HBAR, did the exact run-up we talked about before the drop down. It came all the way up here. We talked about the retest up here at about 869. Came all the way up to 868. So that was a beautiful thing that we seen. And then we said if it hits that, well, just break down after. And that's exactly what happened. So we've got a lot of things getting slaughtered. However, XRP is up 3%, so it's always interesting to see XRP going up when every single other crypto is down. We've got the XRP Bitcoin pairing that we've been putting into for almost 2 months, and now we've got a little bit of payoff. We'll start with the XRP Bitcoin pairing as it's up 4.63%. And just to stay transparent, we've talked about this entire move well before it happened. Let me go on to MEXC because I am up now on my position. I've got just over $5,000 in it. And it's afforded me the additional 10,500 XRP right now. My position's worth $5,071. It's up 5.8%. It's up $294 right now. So I'm up $294 on this position, or 5.8% right now. Now 5.9%. As it's taken a while, and I said it wouldn't be an easy buy, but with all the consolidation we've done all the way down from the 720 area down to the 730 area down to the 655 sat level, and then we bought it back up as well through the 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, the 700, and then when I stopped buying was when we got over this breakout level at, where's this at? Let me pull this up into a bigger time frame so we can see. I stopped buying once it broke over this SAT level again right here at 718. I bought the entire consolidation. Down. And then now it's looking really nice. We consolidated, broke out of our short-term target of 763. Or at least we broke up to. If we can hold 763, your next logical point would be to come up and test this 784 sat level. However, everybody can make their own logical and educated and informed decision here. 763 holds, XRP Bitcoin pairing moves up and starts to close in on that 800 sat level. So it's actually a nice start here to this Monday morning. I've talked about how XRP was severely undervalued, especially where the rest of the market was at. Even if that means Bitcoin's going down and XRP's going up, and that's what causes a much bigger breakout, and it's not just that XRP's moving up, very quickly, but right now we can see a W reversal formed on this consolidation. We talked very clearly yesterday and the day before about if XRP could hold the 4883 level, that we wouldn't have to come all the way back down to 478, and we came down to 484, but we did manage to bounce off this level outside of a wick in the higher time frames. And now XRP, and it was a beautiful double bottom there that was formed too on 2 separate 4-hourlies. Got over the 498 now, and now we've pushed that 505 resistance. Now we want to make sure that we didn't double top here. It's always dangerous when the rest of the market's dumping and XRP is the only one pumping, but we've talked about the opportunity to be had. Even if it's not a long-term opportunity, we talked about through the XRP Bitcoin pairing that opportunity, and that's up about 6% right now in totality. As we've been accumulating, nothing special, but it's about $300 for me right now. And it was just the longevity of that accumulation. But the important thing for me is it's afforded me 10,500 additional XRP to go with my over 12,000 plus, which puts me very close now to 23,000 XRP. I'm still going to call it 22,000 until I get a few more. But it's been a beautiful consolidation and accumulation for me personally. So that's what's going on there with XRP. As we're up 3.07%, we bounced off the short-term consolidation. Now we've got this major pivot point at 50.5 cents. This was always going to be the first step issue. But if we can start to push appropriately here, the rest of the market's hindering us right now. But in the daily, we just broke bullish on this candle. So we'll see. We'll see if we can get over 50.5 cents or if XRP does rotate back down like the rest of the market. Because everything's universally getting slaughtered right now. A lot of things are down anywhere from 5 to 13%. So, and that's, you can see this everywhere on here. XRP, on the other hand, is up about 2.8%. But we have to see exactly which direction this takes. We've seen this many times where XRP is the only one to pump, and that foreshadows a market dump coming. But there's also been instances where the market corrects and then XRP finally, after just taking forever, as we can see, this handle formation, the cup and handle is very much intact. And if we get rejected, let's say we come up a little bit farther, we would come up to around that 524 area. And that would be the next resistance area. Underneath, we have about 42.1 cents. So as long as this holds, you know, we were still in a bullish setup. It's just right now we're outperforming the market and it's not even close. It's not even close. So everybody who's watching this, you must make an educated and informed decision if you've been accumulating in. Because you can see the market's, the way the market's set up right now. And is XRP going to defy the odds to this entire correction? As one of the things we've always talked about is XRP will gain a lot of liquidity when the market seems to fluctuate one way and then it can decouple from the entirety of the market. This is one instance of XRP decoupling from the overall market. Now, it doesn't mean that it's confirmed that this is anything more than a, you know, a short stay here. But right now it's decoupled the rest of the market, at least in the short-term movement. The rest of the market, universally 100% is down. Everything that I cover is down. Aside from the XRP Bitcoin pairing, but this is something that we've been playing into for a reason. We've been planning for a moment like this. And now, depending on how much money you have in, 6%, it's not like the end of the world, but 6% after a lengthy accumulation here. And now to see how it plays out, this is where I wanted to be. This is the side of town I wanted to be on. The XRP market cap right now, we're looking to break out of this resistance at 28.5 billion. So even if bearish, 28.6 billion should be the likely area that we come up. We broke bullish in the daily, so we're going to see if this has a much wider implications here. We've got Bitcoin down right now about 1,000 points to 65,609. Bitcoin right now still within a consolidation. I mean, it hasn't necessarily broken all the way down. In the daily time frame, we're attempting a tricky, it is tricky right now. Depending on what Bitcoin does, if it wanted to come back up, maybe it could have a tricky style reversal like it was teasing yesterday. But right now, it still has an opportunity for Bitcoin, if it pulls down here, that it could come all the way down to 61,700. That's the support on the pennant flag breakout. Otherwise, if it pushes resistance back to the top, you're going to run into, in the shorter time frames, you have to get back over 66,400. Otherwise, if this continues down, we have a death cross, and this could lead to a bearish proposition here. But Bitcoin's going to find itself oversold here in the immediate short term, in the shorter time frames. So a few more rotations like this, or another day or two, and Bitcoin's going to be ready to have a reversal. XRP, I mean, it is what it is right now. It's outperforming the rest of the market. It's kind of defying the odds here a little bit. But we've seen this before out of Bitcoin, or I mean XRP, when the rest of the market is tanking for a length of time, and then we see it start to kick out. So let's see what's going on, and we'll see how it looks in the next 11 minutes by the time we end this. But I want to read two things, because we had crypto whales moving to, or XRP whales moving 283 million XRP, and it stirred the market frenzy. So we'll take a look at that, and then we'll take a look at Ripple Legal Chief countered SEC allegations, no victims, no compensation. So let's read this, And then let's get into the XRP whales moving such a large amount of XRP tokens. So please make sure to hit that like button so YouTube recommends this update. By you hitting that like button, YouTube will recommend this. That means when you're looking through the YouTube newsfeed, whether you're a new viewer or trying to find your way back to the community, you'll be able to find this content, and it's very valuable because everybody said initially on this drop that XRP was going right to 50 cents or 40 cents. And we've talked about the retest of 50.5 and possibly 52.4 cents if we break up in a universal fashion. And right now we're over 50. We've hit 50.5 twice, and now we need to make sure whether or not there's a double top there. If you're looking to trade XRP or the XRP Bitcoin pairing, video description below and or pinned comments. There's BITUNIX for XRP in the USA or around the world, no VPN needed. Many other cryptos, but I talk about that for XRP for USA purposes as well. Lowest spot and leverage trading fees, and you can do spot and leverage from the same place. And you don't need to do a KYC unless you send a receipt from a bank account, and it's on point. Fees are way lower. You can swing trade for pennies on the dollar from other exchanges, and just look into it. And then there's MEXC for the XRP Bitcoin pairing. You would buy Bitcoin, and then with the purchased Bitcoin, you'd buy into the XRP Bitcoin pairing. And the big difference is that you don't just have the ability to sell it in XRP. You can sell it in Bitcoin if the ratio works in your favor like it is today. I could flip from my XRP Bitcoin pairing and flip back into Bitcoin, and the value would be up about $350 or $300 because Bitcoin's ratio has gone down in comparison to XRP. So it's back in XRP's favor 6% more, 5.5% more than it was when I first started buying. So Ripple's chief legal officer has countered the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission SEC's allegation following the crypto firm's proposal to limit its penalty to no more than $10 million. The legal chief highlighted that the SEC is raging and emphasized that unlike the Terraform Labs case, there are no victims to compensate in Ripple's case. So Ripple's chief legal officer, Stuart Alderley, has publicly responded to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. So let's just see what he said, because we've already covered this before. I just want to read this one line. Stuart Alderley said, the SEC is raging. Ripple defended itself. Agreeing to nothing, the court gave clarity that XRP is not a security. There are no victims to compensate. And worst of all, the SEC, for the SEC, Ripple is thriving. But at least SEC seems to abandon its absurd demand for $2 billion. So, we've already stated what goes on there. I can give you a quick synopsis. So, there was an official document that came out Thursday night. We read it, went over it on Friday doing live and everything. And it was stating, or Friday and Saturday we talked about it. It was stating that the SEC has now imposed a $102.6 million settlement offer, which is not true. They simply said that XRP was only willing to do $10 million in totality for this lawsuit. They said that that does not satisfy what they need to penalize in this case. And they said $102.6 million for disgorgement alone, which is down from $1.2 billion on disgorgement. But that doesn't mean any over the top that they want to add on to it. It doesn't mean any penalties, fees, court costs, or anything like that. So it's unfounded when everybody continues to say that a settlement has been, at least offered to Ripple for $102.6 million. That's completely untrue, and it's fabricated. And it just proves how much manipulation there really is when trying to cover XRP and trying to learn the facts about XRP. Everybody's just in it for a quick view. So crypto whales move 283 million XRP, stir market frenzy. So XRP, the cryptocurrency backed by Ripple Labs, has caught the attention of crypto market participants. Today, why does it say May 20th? Oh, this is the article from 4 weeks ago. I clicked on the wrong one. This is what I wanted to read. I got caught up on the wrong thing. XRP sees massive 55% surge in trading volume. In an impressive market move, XRP has experienced a significant surge in trading volume over the last 24 hours. According to data from CoinGlass, the trading volume of XRP skyrocketed by 55.86%, reaching a total of 1.26 billion. This remarkable increase is largely driven by trading activities on major crypto exchanges, with Binance contributing 448.15 million, Bybit 204.52 million, and BitGet 183.25 million. Despite the massive increases in trading volume, XRP's price has shown only a modest uptick. Currently priced at 49.63 cents, the cryptocurrency has risen by 60.65% over the same period. Right now it's up to 50.4 cents, as we know. This price movement indicates a phase of consolidation, suggesting that the market may be gearing up for a more significant move. So the XRP market sentiment. Technical indicators provide further insights into XRP's market position. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, for XRP stands at 42, placing it in a neutral zone. An RSI between 30 and 70 is generally considered neutral, indicating that the asset is neither overbought nor oversold. This neutral stance suggests that there is room for XRP in either direction, depending on market condition and investor sentiment. Moreover, XRP is currently trading above its 200-day simple moving average, SMA, and 200-day exponential moving average, EMA. Trading above these long-term moving averages is typically viewed as a bullish indicator, as it suggests that the asset is in an upward trend over a longer time frame. The surge in trading volume, coupled with bullish signs from technical indicators, could signal potential positive developments for XRP in the near future. Traders and investors are likely to keep a close watch on the cryptocurrency, anticipating further movements that could capitalize on the current market momentum. The broader crypto market has been experiencing fluctuations influenced by various factors, including regulatory developments, technological advancements, and macroeconomic conditions. As the market evolves, the coming days will be crucial in determining whether this surge's activity translates into a significant price movement for XRP. And as we can see right now, it's pretty steady right now at the 503 level. We need to know with the current market dynamics if this is going to be able to hold, or if we're going to end up falling back down. So we have on the simple moving average a bullish indicators ahead, as we've talked about in that recent reading. We'll continue to read more information for the next about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to release this to the rest of the audience, or release this to the community. Like I said before, please make sure to hit that like button so YouTube recommends this update. It's very, very important to read through all this. I'm giving you all of the indicators along with my own, with what I've shown you on the chart, so we can get an educated and informed decision from not just the charts, but the news alike, to make a proper and informed decision here. If you appreciate my work, remember to hit that subscribe button and join the over 22,100 subscribers, or get that emoji badge of me being abducted by aliens in month 1. I would love to see Tom's Army grow. That is my face superimposed on that emoji badge, and all the way out into 3 years now, you get the emoji badge, the Diamond Hands emoji badge now. The XRP Diamond Hands is the 3-year badge, and it's released now, so I can't wait to see how many people do acquire the Diamond Hands in this community. So XRP price recovers past 100 simple moving average, bullish indicators ahead. XRP price started a decent recovery wave above 48.5 cents. The price reclaimed the 100 hourly simple moving average and might aim for more upside. XRP found support at 46 cents and started a recovery wave. The price is now trading above 48.5 cents in the 100 hourly simple moving average. There's a break above key bearish trend line with resistance at 48.6 cents on the hourly chart of XRP USD pair. So the pair could continue to rise unless it fails to stay. And now, right now, we want to stay about the 48.8 cent level. XRP price extended losses below the 46.5 cent level like Bitcoin. However, the bulls took a stand at 46 cents, and the price recently started a decent recovery wave. There was a move above the 46.8 cent and 47.2 resistance levels. Besides, there was a break above a key bearish trend line with resistance. Excuse me, kitty. With resistance at 48.6 cents. On the hourly chart of the XRP USD pair, the pair even spiked above 50 cent zone. A high was formed around 50.49 cents, and the price is now correcting gains. There was a move below 49.5 cent support zone. There was a drop below the 23.6% fib retracement level of the upward move from the 46 cent swing low to the 50.49 cent swing high. The price was trading at 48.5, but now it's back up to 50.3 cents approximately. So as we know, the next major resistance is near the 50.5 cent level. That's right where my pivot point is. A close above the 50.5 cent resistance could send the price higher. The next key resistance is near 52.5, which I love. That's right near my next pivot point at 52.48 approximately. If there is a close above the 52.5 resistance level, there could be a steady increase towards the 53.2, which is another pivot point, down from 53.7. Any more gains might send the price towards the 55 cent resistance. So if XRP fails to clear the 49.8, so that's what we're looking here is 49.8 initially. Could continue to move down to the initial support on the downside of 48.5 cent level and the 100-hour simply moving average. It's moved up just a little bit though. I think it's more around 48.8 as of right now. The next major support is at 47.2. If there is a downside break and a close below the 47.2 cent level, the price might gain bearish momentum. And in the stated case, the price could decline and retest the 46 cent support in the near term. The technical indicators, hourly moving average convergence divergence, the MACD for XRP is now gaining pace in the bullish zone. Hourly relative strength index, RSI, for XRP is now above the 50 level. Major support level 48.5 and 47.2. Major resistance 49.8 and 50.5. So we're absolutely trying to fight that major resistance right now. Make sure to hit that like button so YouTube recommends this. It's been an honor and a privilege bringing you these updates, and I'll catch you in this afternoon's live.